Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a special video, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. But first, I want to give this amazing credit to all subscribers, to all my returning subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. I want to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I'm shooting this video all the way from our beautiful bulletproof house over here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific. Isebania Nyabuhanse village that is near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Of course, we always over here. Each day is a new day to just thank God and say, I want to try from here today. Whatever they didn't went through yesterday, today it must go through. So we keep on pushing, and we always say, my tomorrow must be greater than today. My tomorrow must be greater than today. Yeah, so that's why we keep on pushing. And also my today is better than my yesterday. Always that. So guys, subscribe. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. And thank you so much, almost 24,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for my 20k plus subscribers. And it's a beautiful day over here. And we really appreciate each and every single day we push. So daily, I want to be sharing with you what's happening over here. We'll be heading to True Boy's home, but before that, I want to give you a quick tour of our home because we received some sufficient rain. Now we were not going to water the plants the way we were watering the plants the other day, but it's really amazing. Before we proceed to True Boy's home, I want to give you what we call share with you how our plants are really making a great step over here in our home. So pay much attention, subscribe, like, share, and let me know what you think about this vlog. Let's open our door. Let me share with you. Whew. My Nini have a lot of water. Yeah, now we are outside. Hey, Manu Claude, I see you. Good morning. How are you? Fine. That's Manu Claude, guys. Introduce yourself. Actually, recently he hit 1k subscribers. Yes. People will be asking why is he at home? It's just a weekend. It's a weekend. Introduce yourself, man. Congratulations for 1k subscribers. You happy now? Yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah, guys, it's just yesterday, the other day on Friday when I just brought him on Minha and said, please guys, subscribe. First subscribe, and people actually, you subscribe to him and you made him reach 1,000 subscribers. Yes. Introduce yourself. Let me not introduce you, man, because it's not good for a man to introduce another man. It's fellow man. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. So near there guys, please subscribe to that channel, like there, share, and leave us a comment. My name is Manu Claude, and if you are from Claude Joseph side, please come and subscribe to my channel at Manu Claude. I'm road to 2k subscribers now. Yeah,
that's too much focus on YouTube, but it's not like I'm shattering your dreams. Yes. But I know that he always balances school with, he's still schooling, he always balances school and YouTube, which is a very nice thing. How is school?
School is fine.
Yes.
And by next week we'll be starting our exams.
Okay.
So I'll be uploading videos on only Saturday and Sunday, on weekends.
On weekends.
Yeah.
Oh wow, nice guys. Without me maybe controlling or telling me what to do, he's a man of his own principles. You see, like that, I'll be uploading videos on Saturdays and Sundays because tomorrow next week we are starting our exams. So that means he's really focusing on his bigger dream than this. Okay, man, I appreciate that. I wish you all the best in your exams. Yeah. And guys, please subscribe to him, because don't see like, why are you not uploading videos daily? It's because he's at school and he's concentrating with, and he's a very bright guy, very bright. I'm so proud of him. That's why sometimes you see, even if I go broke, just trying to focus on his dreams. And okay, man, be blessed. Yeah, guys, this is our beautiful home. And this, are you going to school today?
Yeah, I want to ask for permission.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going today.
Okay, guys, this is how everything is around here, and this is our beautiful home. That's our beautiful great area. So I'll be taking you around over here. We planted trees, and the way you see our home is green, it's the sufficient grace of,
guys, you know what?
yeah, we don't know, tell us.
Come and see.
What is it? What do you want?
The
The smallest mango tree ever on earth. Guys, you can imagine this mango has only 2 leaves. And it's shooting with a lot of fruits, you see. Is this a real mango or is a okay? It's grafted mango.
Yeah.
It has 2 leaves and only with a lot of hey.
Yeah, and I like plant another one there.
Okay, I think this is more of local than the other one, right?
Yeah, this is local.
This is a local one. You see, a local one has a lot of leaves,
And
but
very
no,
green.
and very green. But this one, it doesn't have more leaves, but already it's showing you that it shows the signs of bringing some fruits.
Yes.
And these dogs were being washed today with him. Huh? Puppy
Purple.
purple. They were washed. They were being dewormed and also being washed. How are you? So that the ticks can be running away. All right, man.
Yeah.
All right, so guys, we received a lot of rains recently, which is a very good thing, and I really appreciate, man. You know, when we see the other time when we were planting these flowers over here, my brother was like, don't worry, I know you'll be having hard work in watering, but who is God? Because I've been so busy also working on the other side. Sometimes I come up, find that the flowers are not watered, but we received sufficient rains, and that's why you see we are grooming our home. For those who don't know, this is my home. Yeah, for those maybe who we schooled together, and we used to come here when we used to have mud houses. We used to just houses used to be asking us like maybe they can vote for us tomorrow, and they have never came back again, because you know when we were schooling together, some have gone to universities, some are in America, some friends are just around in the city. So this is Claude's home, and this is Claude. You know, now we are growing big. I also have even beards. My face looks like a Mazda face, but yeah, we used to have a very great crazy houses over here. That's why you demolished them, and those are the iron sheets. These are some of the iron sheets that we use. You see, you can imagine, guys, look at a lot of holes. These are the old iron sheets from our old home, and yeah, this is now our home over here. So before that, yeah, I think there's a lot of bees here. Not bees, they are not bees, guys. You see, there's some small things running up and down. I think there is what we call like honey. There is honey in here. You see? Let me try some. There is honey here. You see? Yeah. Oh, they have eaten it. I think people ate the honey. There used to be a lot of honey here. Oh, I could have shown you the small things. They don't look like bees. They look like bees, but not bees. But they are harmless. They are harmless. Somebody just went and took the honey. We always harvest some small little honey from them. It's very sweet. It's called bush honey. Yeah. So from here we'll be heading to True Boy's home, because he was like, CJ, we are here, and because it's a weekend, we have to go and check. We have been moving to look for also materials again, so that we can resume back to construction. But are we really ready for it? Let's go and see. Before that, enjoy our home over here. Very yeah, you also see over here, guys, we have a very great nice grass. Actually, it's doing on very well. This is under courtesy of my elder brother Jacob. We always believe in him, like the moment he puts something down, it never dries, it goes up well. That's why you see when he was planting this grass, I managed to plant a grass over here and it never did very well. But with him, because he knows what landscaping is, he just planted grass here, and you see, and the rain does its best. The rain does its best, and it's really doing up very nicely. Some days you'll be coming at home and you enjoy an amazing sit down over here with at the greenery of the sun. So we see True Boy is here with Bibi, but before that, introducing True Boy, let me introduce Bibi. Hey Bibi, how you doing, ma? How are you? You good?
Good.
Hey, kula vitano. Unakula visita. Ah, guys, this is my lovely grandma over here, and she was always jovial, eh? Hey, Miss Pinky, do you see something in Bibi? Miss Pinky, Miss Pinky. Bibi is here. She's very, very nice. A big shout out to you, Miss Pinky, because you see Bibi, she's keeping herself warm. Very, very nice. One of my moms, actually. So yeah, guys, this is my grandma over here, and people usually say we look alike. Bibi, tunafanana kweli?
Sana. Mnafanana baba yako.
Look over here, guys. Oh, you want my specs? Okay, put on. Put on. Let me see. The big CJ, the old CJ, the aged CJ. Hey, look. Hey, Alili, do you see me well? You know we pay money to go and see you people well.
Yes.
Hey, yes. Hey, Juma, what do you think about the grandma? Grandma with the specs. Yeah? She looks more beautiful.
Yes.
Introduce yourself. Nikuachie miwani leo? Hey. Actually, no, I'll be blind. Okay, introduce yourself.
Yes, guys. Good morning.
Yes.
Afternoon. Good evening. Depending where you're watching us from.
Yeah.
Welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
We are live from our home, our
Yeah,
second home.
absolutely.
Claude
Our
Joseph
home here. Yeah.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited for the day.
Yes.
Since it's beautiful, by the way, and it's a bit sunny.
Yeah.
And also,
Calm. Like it's a calm day in general. Yeah.
with me,
It's not too hot. It's not too cold. Like, but in the morning, when we were rushing to go and look for materials. Sorry guys, we never recorded, but we recorded on the road when we were going. It was somehow gloomy, very cold. But now it's a little bit sunny, and it's a little bit. It's a mixture, you know. It's nature. It's Mother Nature. It knows how to balance things.
you know, like now.
Yeah.
Now it has given us like time to shower.
To
With
shower.
me,
No hot shower. It's like when it's cold, no cold shower.
I can't
We have
I
many.
can't shower.
Eh.
When it's too cold.
You say blanket, my jacket, socks, everything.
Yes.
You can sleep even with a helmet.
Yes, but we have something that we call passport. you know.
Passport.
So passport,
Eh.
you just wash your face,
Face.
your head,
Eh.
your hands,
Eh.
and now your legs.
Your legs.
When it's cold.
And it's cold.
No, but,
And then you say it's good to go.
yeah, you know. But when it's time like this, when it's sunny, at least now you can have a full shower.
Full
you can
shower.
wash your body fully. You know.
Some days, guys, we wanna go show you a very authentic way of how we take shower when it's sunny. Like it's not in a traditional bathroom like that or a modern bathroom like this. No, but in the sun, and we are on the stones and in the river. You know, we will go down there in the river and we start taking shower.
Yeah. Anyway, it's too cold.
Yeah.
The water is very, very cold in the river. You know.
Right now,
Right?
it's freezing.
you know water just flows
Okay.
under rocks.
Under rocks, yeah, and the rocks
So
they.
it's very, very cold.
Oh my God! So you can't try.
But I can't try because there is sun.
Okay, guys, this is True Boy
Anyway, I'm not
Yeah.
afraid of
taking shower.
we're just making fun sometimes. But that's
Yeah,
what
it's
we-
always like we say, Tom without work without play makes Tom a dull boy. So we're just making a short you know,
But
a short joke. Yeah.
That's what I've been doing. Sometimes some years ago.
Yeah, even when we were going to school, we could not take shower late. Yeah.
So I'm speaking the facts, but not the current one.
Yeah.
The past one. Yeah.
You'll be single if you say that you don't take shower. Yeah, guys, this is True Boy,
Yeah, True Boy
208. Subscribe to his YouTube channel at True Boy 208. Right now we are coming and we'll be heading down to his home. But also this is his home, so we'll be heading to our home also, so that we can see what's going on around, man. Wow. Thank you and congratulations, man.
Thank you so much.
All right, so it's washing day. My brother just told me, man, oh, bring your machine, we will wash it. So yesterday it was at the garage and it was like they wanna wash. So his man Claude is taking it, like, I wanna wash it. It's very nice. So we have our bicycle here. Peter, you are eating sugarcane.
Yes.
Hey, Peter. And also we have a Bumble here. Bumble. Hey, come on, man. Why are you running? It's running away from me because it thinks I'm going to wash it away again, because they have been washing them using the dog's shampoo. So it's freaking like, I don't wanna wash. And mom is washing actually. So for those who don't know my mom, here's my mom. Mama, abasalimia watu. Hey, hi, say hi. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is my mom. I usually don't like to make her on camera, but sometimes once in a while, like now, because it's a weekend, she hasn't gone to her grocery, so she's doing what we call like hand washing. Hey, we are washing. All right, that's our lovely mom, and yeah, we'll be heading still down there, and we'll see for the new subscribers, yeah, who don't know my mom, and those who don't know my beautiful girlfriend, she's here.
Help me throw this. I'm kidding. No.
I've got to put them there. No, yeah, bring them. Why?
We've been washing dogs since morning.
Okay, guys, let me go throw this down there. Yeah. Let's see what's happening over here. You know, mostly sometimes girlfriends, when they see that something is okay. So let me throw them down here and we see. She was eating, these are pieces of the sugar cane. Actually, in the morning when we went to look for materials with True Boy, just like moving up and down, I found a place where they are selling those sugar canes. So I brought some of the sugar cane. So we are eating, and this is one of our biggest fruit tree. It's called Mzambarau. Guys, I asked you to give me a name of Mzambarau or Zambarau. For those Swahili people who understand what Zambarau is, it's a fruit like this. Oh, these birds are eating. Birds love it very much. I don't know, you call black plums, I don't know, black currants. This tree has a history. Yeah, so introduce. You have been washing dogs?
I've been washing dogs this morning. There's Bumble and Bee. I've been washing them.
You look beautiful and pretty each and every single day. What's happening?
Thank you. God knows. So so we are done. I'm taking a rest. We're also trying to prepare for dinner. Put beans in the fire.
Oh, today is rice.
So actually we're actually requesting if you can come with rice, if it's possible when you go.
Okay, I'll come.
That depends on the time you're coming back also.
But I'll just bring it because we will have a lot of things to do today. Maybe I'll just rush, bring it here and then go back again, because a lot is happening.
We'll be super grateful.
Yes.
Yeah, so what's up?
Everything is
What
cool.
are you doing today?
Today we have been just like, what is the time? Let me check. Since the morning I woke up,
Yeah.
it's almost 1. Like, we have been rushing. You remember True Boy came for me here like around
early.
6, very early. We went to look some materials little by little.
So construction starts tomorrow?
We're not quite sure, but like, I'm not quite sure because he is the front of him.
Okay.
So whatever he tells me, just as a brother, I follow.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I hope you start soon.
I hope you start soon. So introduce yourself.
Mean Howie, guys.
Yes.
thank you so much for watching up to this far, and also subscribe, and also remember not to skip the ads. So on Claude Joseph's channel, as well as my channel, I'm also a content creator from Nyabohanse. I do interviews, sometimes I do vlogs, sometimes I do reaction videos.
Hey, you're so proud of Nyabohanse. I see nowadays some people say, me, I'm not from Nyabohanse. Nowadays people have been pulling off. People have been pulling off. I'm not from Nyabohanse.
I've embraced Nyabohanse, so there's nowhere it's going to go, you know.
Whether sunshine, whether rain.
Yeah, so
strong Nyabohanse
for life.
Nyabohanse.
Yeah, so guys, so guys, I want us to keep supporting Nyabohanse for those who can, and pray for Nyabohanse as well.
Absolutely, guys. Please pray for Nyabohanse, and of course it needs prayer. For now, we need prayers, and actually not only prayers, but we also need your support by subscribing, liking, sharing, and also, guys, please, you know, we always embrace, and we always embrace peace, and we always speak peace. But on the other hand, you know, in a society you must have what is happening, but like even in political,
you must have friction.
We must have friction.
Yeah.
But we all love each and every person. It's only that sometimes things happen up and downs, but we don't put it over here. We always say God for us all.
The grandpa family, you know. Somebody
sent me a song here. Can you hear about CJ?
For real?
Yeah, called Terry. A big shout out to you, Terry. He even composed a song about Nyabohanse. So I'm trying to look for it over here.
What's the song about? That's your song, or Nyabohanse, the Nyabohanse song?
CJ.
Yeah. Okay.
The angel of Nyabohanse. Oh my God. Traveling country to country. Thank you, Terry. Kenya. Hey. And also he went to India. Terry, thank you so much, Terry.
Thank you, Terry.
Let me
compose another one for
Minhao.
For you. This the second one sounds like a jam. Nice jam. She's Ethiopian.
He's a Jamaican, I think.
Oh, I may love the
second one. See you, Jamaica.
That's nice.
Another one is here for Nyabohanse. Let me hear for Nyabohanse. He composed a lot of songs like about Nyabohanse. This is the same one, guys. That's Terry. I'm just trying to look for the music. Sorry guys, don't mind, my phone cracked.
Nyabohanse.
Yeah. And then the first thing he calls is Nasto. Yeah. Peace and love. Positive vibes, yeah? Okay, this song, when it starts, like it's like Nastos, and then when it's just going to have a juncture, it's like say Magia. So yeah, he mentioned all people's names. Alright guys, that's it. His name is Terry Charles. Thank you so much, Terry Charles, for the great song that you composed to us, and I really appreciate your love and support. So I'm saying bye. Let me just go and see what's happening. Yeah, subscribe to Minhawi and to Claude Joseph. Here she is.
Thank you.
Mother Peace. Iron Lady.
I love peace.
Iron.
I'm a peacemaker.
Iron Lion, Zion.
Iron Lion, Zion.
Iron Lion, Zion. Good. You're a good teacher. Teach me, teacher. You know that?
Teach me, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Teach me.
Oh, you teach me, teacher. Alright, guys. Let's see what's happening. And things are really moving on well and nice. Baby! My socks does what? Why are you calling my socks? Hey, they're good. Baby is eating sweet potatoes. This one is enough with busara. It's made from finger millets and cassava. That's a very traditional way. Juma, do you know busara and mango? Yeah, this is the most traditional food, guys, ever you could get in our homes over here. Lost long time ago. I really miss it. Bye. We are with True Boy. Let's get home a little bit, and then we're gonna see. We're having sugar cane over here, guys. Daisy, good morning. How are you? This.
Come on, introduce yourself here.
Daisy.
Yeah,
You have a guy here called Daisy, guys. Hey, Daisy.
Okay.
Oh, what are you eating? Mandazi. Avocado.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
I'm good.
How is everything?
Everything is not bad. Yeah.
Okay, hey, that's English. Everything is not bad. We always okay. That's great. You know, they always say a teacher teaches you English. They say everything is good, and a Socratic says everything is not bad. Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Lewis Dyson. And welcome.
Lewis Dyson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe my channel. Yeah, I have a channel.
Okay, which channel?
YouTube channel.
Yes. By the name?
Lewis Dyson.
Lewis Dyson. Okay, Lewis Dyson. So keep up the good work. Okay, let's keep on going home.
Me.
Subscribe you.
Me.
Lewis
Dyson.
Okay.
Where is your teeth?
No, don't choose about him, man. The rat took his teeth. Ah, yeah. Hey, I love the trees. See, we have a lot of heap of what we call like firewood, which is very great. So we arrived at True Boy's home, and yeah, I see they kept the lumber very well, because you know, up in here we have some great lumbers like this, and still we have covered them up with the offcuts. True Boy 208, the man of his own country.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
And everything is okay.
Yes.
So the way you saw, like you see, like all these firewood were around here.
Yeah.
But my brother helped me arrange them over
And
here.
very well.
He was separating timbers from the firewood.
Okay.
That's why you can see he arranged the timbers over here. Then on top he placed the what we call like
The offcuts.
yeah.
The offcuts, yeah. Which is very nice. This is a very nice how you kept them.
Protect those timbers.
Yeah.
At the same time, he separated the
Firewood.
to the other side.
Which is, hey, Mama is so happy now to see a lot of firewood.
By the
You know, here guys, we usually use what we call like firewood as a source of fuel. So we always become very happy when we see a lot of firewood like this, because the one who, you know, when we were growing up, we used to have duty. When we call like duty, where to fetch firewood, and also duty to cook. If it's your duty to cook and you don't have firewood, that day people you'll struggle and cry. So like if it could be those days back, everybody could be fighting. Oh, today I'm the one who to cook.
Yeah.
So you cook maraba, you cook until maraba.
You can see, like my brother
is still doing them. Oh, okay, man, very great. So you could be fighting to the kitchen like it's my day for you to go and cook maraba. I'm going to go and cook. So which is very nice, guys. It has been a moment like since we resumed back from since we had a break from building, man, things have really changed. And congratulations for the good work, man.
Wow.
So for what is happening, and we see now we have timbers over here, we have other timbers there, we have others over there, which is very great. And are enjoying the motorbike. Maraba sasa gotamar sasa gopoa. Hey, good. The boy is doing his great job over there. And also we have bricks over here. Hey, man.
Yes.
Hey, even the sand. Just 1 week and the sand just started to develop maize.
Yeah.
You planted maize here.
Yeah. Imagine that.
You planted maize on the sand in just that 1 week. Yeah. Now it's very nice. It's great. Wow. This is ready now to go up.
Yeah, it's ready now.
Yes.
We are going to resume very soon.
Because we have stones over here already, guys. Like you see, we have this. They're called stones or blocks, and also our what you call like our septic tank. Just like when we said like stop, everybody stopped, and everything stopped because we wanted it to have a very ample time for it to dry up, and yeah. Now this will be. As this goes on, this will be done what we call like we'll be putting up a route of mortars, and it will be, how do we call it in English? Kuchapia, the foundation.
Plaster.
Yeah, we'll be plastering it all. It will be becoming very smooth. But for now, we are very proud of what we see here, guys. Very nice and very great. This true boy. This morning he came. Already you burnt charcoal.
Yeah,
Daisy.
Yeah. When it
This is not Daisy.
has already burned the charcoal here.
So for the stumps, for the tree stumps that were here, he burnt already charcoal.
No, anyway,
This guy is not
he
joking.
didn't use this,
Yeah.
but he used this one. This
Oh,
thing from, yeah.
Okay, the one that was being cut.
Yeah.
Daisy
But
doesn't
he
joke.
never uses this one, like.
Daisy doesn't joke around. So guys, that's how you see how everything is around, and soon now everything is very nice, straight. You know, it has even exceeded the days that you're supposed to be. It has exceeded the days that it's supposed to be drying up. But when we be starting, also we need to pour a lot of water. You know, when starting, we make sure that it's damp. Yeah, when we have to pour, maybe if tomorrow on the other day, we have to pour a lot of water in the morning so that we can start. Because they usually say in a slab like this, you have to construct it when it's damp. So we pour a lot of water and then we start it. But for now, man, the house is okay. You know, now you created your own stone. People, if this could be maybe what we call like drying maize season, you no need of going to buy what we call like a paper to dry up maize. Just dry maize here.
Then you just sweep the place and you spread your maize. Then
Yeah.
it's gonna dry very fast.
Very fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, and, I don't know whether you realize that
we did this again because the other day when they were doing what we call like pouring here, the time went off. So this is the kitchen area, the outside balcony. So it's also looking very nice and great. But the moment like now, you know, it's very flat. It's very flat. Nobody knows where is the bedroom, where is the kitchen, where is the store, where is the toilet. But the moment now they'll be doing what we call a setting. Setting also is the most hardest part. You can imagine a whole day they can just put two or one one brick,
One block.
one block all the way around, because it'll be like, hey, the toilet was 10 feet.
Yeah, by the way,
It was 6 feet. It was no, it's like it's always confused.
mm,
Yes.
I was trying to tell them like it will be a bit tough,
Yes.
but at least because we have a plan.
Yeah.
The house plan is what we is going to direct the engineer and the masons, so that it will guide them at least to be knowing that there is a wall.
There's a wall.
There's a, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That will be very, very great. Man, congratulations, and this is a very great job, actually. Well done, because it's a dream to some, and some are like, oh, what is True Boy doing? What is True Boy doing? But it's a very, very nice dream come true, and we really appreciate your love and support, man, for this great way.
Thank you.
And I just came to say hi and just check on how things are going, so that we can keep on motivating each other.
For sure.
And yeah, from here, guys, I'll be going to Tanzania and just show you a little bit of Tanzania, because we're going to buy rice there, and then we wanna come back home, then we'll be ending the video from there. But for now, please subscribe also to TrueBoy208, share, show some love, because you know, slowly by slowly we keep up putting up, changing the what you call like the narratives.
Yeah,
And always we are here to support, man. Count me in, no matter what, man, you know.
this is so hard, bro. It's so hard.
What are you eating? The sugar?
Yeah, the sugar.
Okay.
Sugar cane.
Okay, man. Enjoy. All right, guys. See you. So we also have this sand. So we went to look for sand and more materials, because now we only need small ballast. The small fine ballast to cover up the pillars, and also more sand. So today, True Boy called me, bro, you can go and help me just look on there what we're having, so that you can see. And also, this is how we feed our animals in the village. How are you?
That's the mother.
That you going to go there? Eno.
Yeah.
No matter how is it?
That's the mother of all this. Yes.
The mother looks more younger than even the son.
No, that's a bull. That's a bull.
This is a bull.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's a big bull.
This is how we are feeding our animals, and yeah. So CJ the shepherd. Why is it traffic? So that's the mother of this and this.
Yeah, every
cow we see here.
the three of that. Yeah.
Wow, the mother looks very young, even to the son.
Yeah, it has.
Genetics.
Yeah. By the way, like the bull, it has like 3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah, 3 years,
very young.
because you know, like a cow
Yes.
gives birth after every year.
After,
You know?
okay.
9 months.
9 months. Yeah.
So count this one,
Yes.
our firstborn,
The first born.
the second
Second
born, right?
And third one there.
Third born there. You
And
know?
the mother still looks young.
Yeah, it's young, by the way. The mother is around 6 years now.
Oh man.
For sure,
It's a
for sure.
teenager. It's still a teenager.
That's how
The mother is a teenager.
it's going to bear to give birth to a lot of to so many cows.
So many
I'm
cows.
sure. Yeah.
Guys, we are here, and this is how you see we feed animals from here. You know,
Look.
most of this is napier grass. Yeah?
Napier grass, yeah.
This is napier grass, and most of the cows in the village, we always go do what we call like this is zero grazing or tethering or herding.
This is zero grazing.
Is this zero grazing?
Yeah, herding
Yes.
is where you just take them maybe to the field.
and then you
to
look after
graze.
them.
Yeah,
Pegging.
you are just there.
Pegging is where you put a peg
Peg,
and
yes.
then put a rope.
Tethering, that's tethering.
Tethering.
Yeah,
And the other one that you feed from one chamber to another chamber.
that's what paddocking.
Paddocking.
Yeah.
Hey, you are good in science and agriculture. Guys,
So,
that's what every day is a learning day, guys. I hope you have learned
like,
something.
Those are paddocks, you know.
So you
today
paddocking. Today you are here.
Tomorrow
You shift them to the other side.
Tomorrow now you shift
So you give room for the other
By
one.
the time you are back,
The grass has already. Eh.
grew up, you know.
Hey, I thought you were only good in chemistry.
I don't know whether I'm right.
Yeah,
But I think I'm right.
that you're right. That's I wanted to convince that you are right. That's why I asked you.
Okay.
Pegging.
Yeah.
What about tethering? What about paddocking? How do you call about this one? Zero grazing.
That's what.
But also, guys, I don't think if you are really right, please comment down below. There's a space down there to just leave a comment and give your opinion, whether good or bad. Just give your opinion there. We wanna see how everything is. The mother is there, and it looks very young, even than the son. So
are they in good health?
Are they in good health? Can this even pay? Let me ask you, like, in a good question, right? Can this be able to pay dowry? You know, if I take this to Minhawi's home, suppose I'm taking this to Minhawi's home.
This, let's estimate maybe the price of that bull.
This can be
Going to
estimate that, yeah.
It's around 70,000.
That can be 70,000-80,000.
Yeah.
That can be $800. You get a bull.
Yeah, for sure. So this one,
Yes.
you cannot take it just the way it is.
The way it is. Why?
You have to divide it. By dividing,
Yeah.
you have to sell it, to sell this and buy the small one.
Like that one.
Another, yeah, even that
Like
one.
that
is okay.
one, yeah.
But
Mostly I
now-
came to see most people married with this small. The
Yes.
small are like
now
this.
when you take like this one, here, you see this one.
Yeah, people they'll sing you.
Your mother-in-law now will be like,
We'll sing you.
yeah.
We always say if you take like this,
Yes.
the mother-in-law will sing
Will sing
from mouth to
will
mouth.
keep on praising you. Oh, I like my
My son-in-law.
You know,
Eh.
each and every day. Now, where there will be a problem, let Naomi how he wrongs you.
Yeah.
She will see fire.
Oh,
She will see fire.
The mother-in-law.
Go back, go.
The mother-in-law is like, just go.
Go back. What's wrong?
What's
Go
wrong?
back. You know.
Because of a exchange of an animal like
Yes,
this.
you know. But now when you just take maybe.
What if
someone
now you
who-
take this?
Huh?
Mouth to mouth. The mother-in-law will be like,
No.
hey.
She
Guys,
will lack words
we are
to
talking about
express.
this animal, guys.
bull,
This bull over here. It's very great and it looks in a very good, what
Just
we call
good health,
a
right?
good health. Yeah.
Yeah,
So we always say
you know, it's natural. No boost.
No boost.
anything.
it
no
always feed from here.
Yeah, it's
and
feeding from here.
yeah.
And also like we spray them like to like
Tick.
pesticides.
That side, yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
they just been sprayed over there. That's why you can't even see even the tick.
The tick, yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Like that's the only thing that my brother do to these
animals.
Yeah,
Eh,
no booster.
So you tell me this tree can worth a dowry?
Which one?
The three animals over here.
They are enough. They are more than enough.
They're more than enough.
Because this,
for dowry.
only this one
Eh,
can give you, let's say, 80 divided
by that can be 8. Can be 8. Let's say 8 small ones.
yeah.
That's 8 animals.
Only this is enough. When you divide it,
In an African home, guys.
yeah,
Then
this,
6.
only this is enough to give dowry.
Okay.
But whenever you'll give each one like this,
Uh,
it won't be. So you have to divide it. You have
be
sell
many.
it. Yeah. at
the
least-
quantity matters than the quality.
Yeah.
You know, mostly in marrying, they always say quantity matters than quality. So you can take one and they'll be always saying, this guy married with only one bull.
Yeah.
But if you take many, but small,
They believe that.
they believe that this lady was married with 20 cows.
Yeah.
Oh no, we say that's it's not even English. We say this lady was married by 20 heads,
Yeah. 20 heads.
20 heads
20 heads.
of cattle, something like that. Yeah. Sorry,
That's how
man.
it is.
Sorry, guys. If I just said somebody was like, Claude, is that even English?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, but
Yeah.
we say 20 heads of cattle, so something like that. So let us know if this will be better. Then I can convince your brother to give me so that I can
Wow.
take it to Minhawi.
It's just waiting for me. Because,
You will marry from abroad some days, man.
even, you know, you never know.
You never know.
When I'll marry from abroad,
Eh.
I'll just give you for free. You know? And I can decide the dowry that I want to give.
Eh. You
I
give
can
it to
decide
me.
give you, you know?
Brotherhood, man. Brotherhood. All right,
Keep
man.
on believing, guys.
Yes.
You know, like like we never know what tomorrow will be.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah,
Ah,
like,
yeah.
I don't know whether I'll I'm sure I'll have a wife.
Yeah.
I don't know where she will
Well,
come from.
you don't know whether maybe you'll be the first person to pay dowry, or I'll be the first person to pay dowry. Yeah,
that's
yeah.
true, for sure.
Yeah.
So with us, let's just be patient, and as we keep on believing that tomorrow is going to give us a change.
Yeah, tomorrow. They always say, actually I've said that, and I started this video by saying, my tomorrow must be greater than today. Do you know that song? Please guys, if you know the guy who sang that song, please comment down below.
So
My tomorrow must be greater than today. Yeah. Something like that. Alright guys, we are here, we're just making some an approximation about this, and we were like,
even the cows
are surprised.
Yeah, they have never seen a camera, so like they are, you know, you see, they have
already left eating.
Yeah, imagine.
They're like,
but let me take them back.
Yeah, even this just slept. End of kule. Hey, it's following me. Maybe they are tired. Just let them sleep. You know.
Maybe they need water. We don't know what they need.
Yeah, you'll be like, I remember I used to write a composition where it's like, I was tired like oxen that came from digging. From digging, I used to write that way.
Or digging.
Yeah, so it was like, you know, sometimes you can, in Kenya we have a system where you can write insha or a composition. Composition is where you write your thoughts, a story, just write anything on a paper, 2 foolscaps or 1 foolscap.
1.5.
1.5. So you have to write your thoughts. So there you have to put something, proverbs, you have to put something, you know, synonyms. So you have to just pamper.
Everything.
You pamper your composition. So with me, instead of saying, I was tired as maybe something else, I said, I was as tired as oxen that came from digging, and the teacher could circle there. They see me. If you ever went through that, guys, comment down below. As tired as oxen from digging, see me. Alright guys, so we have sand, and maybe we wanna see, we are looking for more materials, and let's head to Tanzania from here. Alright.
One love, guys.
Alright guys. Okay. So let's close by to Tanzania. I'll just go by rice, and we'll go back home, and then we wanna end the video. I just wanna tell me how that I found a very nice animals for dowry. For her dowry, but then we can see what she thinks about it. Alright.
African roads.
Guys, I'm in Tanzania actually. That's where you see there. That's Tanzania, and I just arrived here and I came to buy rice. Now we have rice. It's grade 2. Actually, I used to work this. I used to sell this kind of rice, but I used to buy in plenty. We are True Boy here in Tanzania, guys. We crossed by without. Yeah, guys, this is the clean. We call it clean rice. So we just crossed by to Tanzania without passport. Are you happy big in Tanzania? Or this is every single day you come here?
Because this is where we come to buy rice. And even we have Tanzania have got a lot of fruits.
Yeah. Mostly.
Like, and we believe like Tanzania has got a lot of local foods.
Yeah.
With no GMO.
With no GMO.
Yeah. So most of the time we just come here to buy fruits. Yeah. Daga. Small
Sardines.
Yeah,
sardines, yeah.
And also full of rice.
Full of rice. We have rice. I actually remember I used to do this kind of business.
Yeah, I remember.
I used to buy it from over here, and then we close by with the border. Some days I just go without I just pass behind the scenes without going through the border. So it used to be hectic, but I thank God.
Without paying tax.
Yeah, without paying tax.
Yes.
But until nowadays we are here, so we are in Tanzania and we buy rice. So let me go home and we see what's happening. All right. Yeah. So we are back home, sweet home, and I have my fruits here. I have fruits. Hey, we just bought fruits and rice. That's nice. Home, sweet home. got the pickers. Had rice, that's a 10 kg. And also, hey, me, you happy? I brought you your favorites.
What's that? Yeah, thank you. Oh my god.
I brought you your favorites. Oh man.
And you ate them
She loved this. Yeah, I ate them.
along the way.
Yeah. Also with some lapinas. Alright, so guys, yeah, I'm going. Alright guys, I wanna end this video here. I wanna say thank you so much. Be blessed. Subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment back home. And also subscribe to True Boy.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
24208 here.
Yeah.
We were in town and we are back.
Yeah.
Today we have been doing a lot.
Yes.
At first we went to look for
Material.
construction material. Then from there we went back home
Yeah.
to confirm whether now our house is ready.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Then from there, then we headed to Tanzania.
Tanzania, yeah. And now we are
Another
back.
country. Now we are back.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we see what next.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching us. This is Mr. True Boy. Please
Yes.
subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 5K, guys.
Yeah.
I know you love us all, and may God keep blessing you abundantly. Bye bye.
And guys, my dad is here. You know, today you are lucky to see them. Today, both parents. My mom was washing, and today because it's a weekend, dad is dancing with the dog. Hey.
Tap.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good morning.
Fine.
Good afternoon or good evening.
Good afternoon. That's all good afternoon.
Good evening.
Evening.
How are you?
Fine.
You're good.
I'm
Yeah,
good.
guys, this is my dad over here. What were you doing?
Eh?
Oh, you are doing a
Nails.
kennel.
Nails.
Kennel. Oh, he was doing a kennel. You know, we have a.
There's a dog is there.
Oh, the dog is there. What is it? Oh, okay. Yeah. So everything fine?
I'm fine.
Great.
Guy.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
thank you very much, my kids.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you, kid?
Yeah. My kid.
My thought.
Matoto. All right, guys. That's it. And thank you. Asante. And bye, guys. Bye from here.